Alright, factoring our trinomial x squared plus 18x minus 40. So I wrote our factoring methods chart. You kind of just want to go down the list to decide what factoring method you're going to use. If you already know, perfect. So method number 1, GCF. Do they have anything in common? Is there a number I could divide all of them by, or do they share any x's? Definitely not, so we could cross that method out. Number 2 would be the difference of squares. That has to have two terms, and this is a trinomial, so we could cross that method out. So we're looking at method number 3, trinomial. So for trinomials, you open up two parentheses. X squared you would split as x times x, and then we need to fill in the numbers here. So you can use guess and check, or you can use the method that I showed you in class. So you take the last number, 40, and you make a factor list of 40. So let's see, 1 times 40 would give us 40, 2 times 20. 3 would not be a factor, 4 times 10. 5 times 8, and that actually completes the factor list for 40. So this subtraction sign in front of the 40 tells us that we're going to be subtracting the numbers in our list this time. And when you subtract, just do the bigger minus the smaller. So 40 minus 1, that's 39. And we're looking for the middle term, which is 18. 20 minus 2, that's 18. So we already found our middle term here, 18. So our factor pair we're using is going to be 2 and 20. So our next question is, how do I combine 2 and 20 and get positive 18? Well, right now if I combine these both positive, 2 plus 20 is 22. So we're going to have to modify a sign here. So your options are either add a negative to the 2, add a negative to the 20, or add a negative to both. The only way to make this true would be to add a negative to the smaller number, since your answer is positive. So you need the positives to be bigger here. So my two factors then are x minus 2, x plus 20. And you can always check your answer by either using the box method or distributing twice.